Okay, in this particular work, we'll be dissecting the skull of this chick in order to analyze parts of the brain of a chick and its functions. Okay, now we're going to begin by tearing open the skin on the head of this bird. Okay, now we are going to make a careful midline incision with a razor blade instead of a scalpel in this case due to its sharpness, and we have to be careful not to cut in deep. The rest of the cut should be completed with the surgical scissors. Okay, now as we cut off some part of the skull, we're going to be pulling it off with our hands in order to expose the brain. Okay. Okay, so as we cut off some of them, we're going to be pulling it off with our hands. And okay, let's break more of the midline cut. Okay, now I think we have fully exposed the brain at this point. Now let's try to identify the parts of this bird's brain and compare it to that of humans. Okay, the brain of a bird and a human is divided into three sections: the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The forebrain, it consists of two major parts, the olfactory lobe and the cerebrum. The olfactory lobe is located anteriorly at the forebrain. It is connected with smell. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain that is made up of hemispheres, which are right and left hemispheres. It controls all voluntary actions and coordination of impulses. The midbrain, it consists of two major parts, the optic tectum, which is known as the superior colliculus in mammals, and the pineal gland. The optic tectum receives sensory impulses from the eye. It is the site of vision or sight. The pineal body plays a key role in the control of the daily and seasonal rhythms. This includes sleep and reproductive activities. The hindbrain, it consists of two major parts, the cerebellum and the medulla oblongata. The cerebellum controls muscle actions, posture, or balance of the body. The medulla oblongata controls involuntary actions such as respiration, heartbeat, and digestion. One salient feature that makes the brain of a human different from the brain of a chick is the fact that the brain of humans have evolved to be so large that it acquired folds and features which is not present in the cerebrum of birds. The folds and fissures are important as it increases the surface area of the brain. A larger surface area means that more neurons can be packed into the cortex so that it can process more information. All the functions of the parts of this bird's brain that we just identified are similar to that of humans, though they differ in structure.
Hello students of life sciences and every other person who has been inspired by this wonderful mission of the Bipurpose Plan Institute. My name is Mr. Prince Orazu. I am a biology teacher and I'm the founder of Bipurpose Mobile Institute. Today I am here in one of the great and remarkable schools in Aba, Abia State, which has produced a lot of stars and has inspired greatness for people like me. And speaking of no other school but Nikit High School. Nikit High School is located at number 1 Chukwunye Street off Akalanga Road, Aba, in Abia State. For more inquiries about this great institution, you can visit their Facebook page, or you can dial the numbers in the description box of this video. By-Purpose Mobile Institute is on a mission to revolutionize the way biology is being taught in high schools, and also to rekindle the passion in students to learn for a purpose. We will be carrying out experiments on biology, which will be covered and posted here on our YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of our experiments, of our videos of experiments which will be posted here. Also visit our Facebook page at By-Purpose, or click the link in the description box of this video. Always remember, learning is good, but learning for a purpose is best. Until next time, I still remain Mr. Prince Orazu. Remember.